In Trance by Margaret in 30 by 37 cm squares, special treatment version 1, starts with electric diamonds in the background. So you can place some here, some over here, and over there. In Trance by Margaret in 30 by 37 cm squares, version 2 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on her blue dress. So simply place these as an added embellishment to create some subtle glisten by sprinkling it on her blue robe. By Margaret in 30 by 37 cm squares, version 3, special treatment, now adds magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the red areas on the painting. So that would be her hair, the flowers, as well as some portions of her dress. So for version 3 of In Trance, we've got electric diamonds for the background, sapphire diamonds for her blue robe, and also magenta crystals for all of the red-orange areas. You sprinkle these onto the color instead of following a strict code. And remember, don't place any of the special beads for this painting on her face. You can place it on her hair, just not on her face.